Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Beehiiv and how you can make newsletter by using Beehiiv. So Beehiiv is a modern creator focused newsletter platform designed to help individuals and businesses build, grow and monetize their email newsletters. Founded in 2021 by former morning Brew employs Beehive combines the simplicity of writing and sending emails with advanced tools for audience growth, monetization, and analytics. So from here you can see I'm right now on the Beehive official web page here. So you can find all of this from here. So you can go with a free trial or you can get a demo from here. So I'm going to first log into my account, or if you don't have one, so you can sign up for a new account from here. So I don't have one, so I'm going to sign in with my email address from here. So this is my Google account and I have just signed in. Now you can go with the free version that is $0 needed. So you can get a free that up to 2,500 subscribers, custom website, custom web newsletter, and sorry for that actually, and campaign analytics, unlimited email senders, so also up to 3 publications, a recommendation network, optimized deliverability, and subscriber tagging, audience segmentation, and custom domains, API access also. So you can get start with launch here. So you can get this payment, this paid version here that is pretty much impressive here. So by here you have to verify your phone number first. So you can choose your country code from here. So you can easily verify your country from here. So you have to then enter the number and you can simply click on send code and you can get that code via SMS. Now, after entering your phone number, it will send some code, a verification code in your number. So you have to enter that number, that OTP or verification code that you have get through your phone number. So it can take a while. So be patient, and whenever you get that verification code, enter it without any type of mistake. Here you can see I have got my verification code, so I am verifying myself by entering that verification code here. So from here it will ask for the experience, that how much experience do you have in newsletter. So is experienced, if you're experienced you can select that, or beginner you can curious. So for example I want to go with curious, so simply click on continue. So that's mean you're right now curious. And from here you can name your newsletter like anything that attracts some peoples, and you can add some subdomain name. And what's your newsletter about? So you can select the category about your newsletter that actually you made for your clients here. So for example, it could be technologies, like you can just scroll down, and if there's any technology, so let me find it. No, there is no, but we can add gadgets here. So we can add some future, we can add something like same thing. So I suggest you to add something that actually the same root of a tree. So I hope I can teach you that you understand. I hope you understand that. So podcast also you can add something, just 3 of them. So you can add up to 3 content flags. So how often do you plan to publish? So how often, if you are sending newsletter daily, then you can simply click on daily, or weekly you can use weekly newsletter. We can use the bi-weekly newsletter, or you can use this monthly. So I'm going to select monthly. Now simply click on continue. Now here is how did you hear about us, where so you can select one of the platform where you have got this, like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, anything you want. So now simply click on continue. Now here you can see what are the primary goals Beehiiv can help you achieve. So generate sustainable income and build deeper connection within my community, or nurture the prospect customers, or become a trusted source of news, or like this, and simply click on continue. So After that, we can go with the free trial, but also you can simply click on continue. So here is the dashboard where we can set up our first newsletter. Now here they are guiding about how you can create your first newsletter here. So first is Beehiiv publication. So I have just logged into and created my account in Beehiiv publication. Now the second one is finish your publication settings. So we can do some settings that actually the general information about yourself. So you can add some description about your publication. So I'm going to add something. I'm going to add this. You can add your logo here, your publication logo. You can simply click on it and you can browse for your logo here. You can add some thumbnail about your newsletter that will appear upon your newsletter, so it can actually attract your customers, and it's pretty important to add an attractive and eye-catchy thumbnail that can hook your customers. Then publication tags here, you can we have already added some tags here. Then default language, you can select the language here, you can select the time zone, and you can add some subscribe button here, or you can name that button anything like buy now, join us, join now, anything you want. So then the content access, also something more here like YouTube analytics, that you can manage the UTM parameters, adding to link in your post. So you can add something, some link of your web page or anything. So here is a default that actually default source from that people can get it, or you can add any web page that actually connected with your newsletter. Then from here, emails. So here you can find that email sending details. So configure your email sending information. So use post author's name as sender name. So you can use that post author name who has just created the post. So it will add it as the sender name. So you can add the sender name here. So also you can add, if you disable it, so you can add custom sender name here. Like I'm going to add it just like this. Then we can do the rest of things like replace to addresses, or like email footer section. You can add the footer like this that actually hold the copyright claim about your newsletter. Also you can edit it by simply click on this edit button here, this pencil button here. So you can add the address, or you can edit it by entering something like this copyright and the here, and you can add like your name, newsletters app, like my publication's name here. Then you can add some presets mail, you can add some welcome mail actually. So enable welcome mail, and you have to first configure that welcome mail first. So you can simply click on that welcome mail, and you can add something like you can add that update your here, you can subject line here. So you can add something welcome and preview text here. So well, it's our pleasure to have you in Apple Pros newsletter. So just like this, we can add that, and we can just simply click on save button here, and it has just saved it like this this welcome mail here. So you can enable that. So we have just to leave that content blank. Yes, that content is now blank here. So we can simply click on edit mail here. Now we can simply go to the right here, so we can write anything. So details here, so I'm going to add this right, anything, you can add anything. So I can add that hope so you can add some instructions, some welcome message here, anything you want. So I'm going to skip that right now. So from here, let me show you. When you go to content import, so you can import some content from your Microsoft Word or Google Docs or any other platform that you have created in. Then you can go with the subscriber input. So from here you can input the subscriber. So here you can simply go to that new subscriber input. You can simply click on it. Then you can enter some CSV file from your Google Sheets or the Microsoft Excel, or you can upload email list by simply click on choose file. So you can get, if you have any CSV file that listed your customer's email, so you can get that, you can upload that email here, or you can simply go back and you can go with manual. so you can export data, so you can export data from here. Then subscriber input here, so you can simply go with that, and I'm going to simply click on next here. So choose the email address. So no, I don't have any. So you can just copy and paste. You can select that input method, that copy and paste a list of email address. So you can copy and paste on customers. Like I'm going to add it like Barack. And here you can see I have just added it, and you can just give underscore, and you can line break, add a line break, and you can add more more email here. So you can simply click on next and send welcome mail, or if you have one, and then you can add to automation. You can add automation. You can add them to the automation. There is no automation right now, so apply subscriber tags here. So confirm subscriber import, you can import that. So I have just imported one subscriber here. So let's see if I just refresh it, if there's anyone that actually go to the dashboard. Now let's go to the dashboard, how we can just create a one. So customize your newsletter. From here you can find different types of template, or you can find a blank template here, or the default template here, or you can go with this classic editorial. You can simply click on it, and you can find that template here that you can use to customize your newsletter. So if you use that template, it is pretty much easy to create or customize a newsletter here. So from here you can change the image here. You can simply click on that to it will allow you to upload a new image for as a replacement of that image, or you can replace that image from your library. If any image saved in your this Beehiiv library, then you can select a text here. You can change the text from here, or you can also add some content tags if that related to your topic. So from here, if I click on it, we can simply click on right here, or style, not that, actually right. So from here, if you click on style, you can find different types of style that you can change the outside background color, you can change the post background color, you can change the text on background color, also the primary color, text on primary color, and secondary color, also all of the link color from here. Then the typography here, you can choose the font, actually font style. You can change the font weight, and also the for the paragraph text, you can change the font style and also the font weight. Now the spacing, is time to change the spacing. You can customize it. You can change the margin spacing, or you can just change the padding of your newsletter, and also you can add some border if you want so. So that's how you can change the style. And here is advanced features that you can use, like here it is. So like color, or you can select the color here, like canvas color. So you can change that canvas color from here. So I'm going to change it like a little off-white here. If I change it to this, so that here it is actually a canvas, the background here. And you can change the post actually, and this is the post here. So if I change it, for example, I am going to change it to this color here. So if I change it to this color, so it will actually change that color here. This is the post color here, so just like this. So you can also change the post border here. The border is black actually, so it is most preferable. And the email header, you can set the email header, subtitle, image, byline, date, padding. Also you can add some quotes from here. This is the section where body text, you can change the body text from here. You can add the any normal text. You can add heading 1 text, heading 2 text, heading 3 text, and you can change the headings, this font styles and font weight. You can change it to regular, light, extra light, thin, medium, semi bold, bold, or extra bold. Then the line height actually, so you can actually add some widgets. That's actually pretty much cool, that you can add some images if you want. So you have to select a section where you want to add that image. So you can select one. You can simply click on image here. So you can set the settings for all the images. Buttons here, you can set the buttons actually here. So button settings here, and the breaks, also list, quotes, embed. You can embed code here, so you can customize that code from here. and you can see the preview by simply click on that. So here is a preview that actually look like. Here it is. So that's how you can simply do it. So don't forget to simply click on next, and here you can go to that save button here. So here it is. So you can change it. Now go to next, and then you can simply select all subscribers here, like include exclude segment. You can enable it, then click on next again. After selecting that subscriber, you can add some this subject line here. So I am remaining the default, so you can add your subject line from here. You can add the preview text here, then the email this email header button here. You can add the social media button here, or likes and comments here. So I'm going to add that likes and comments, and go to next. And here is the web that actually it will generate a URL for you that you can share your newsletter, and something like anything like comments, like advanced email capture. That SEO settings here, you can add the meta title for your newsletter. You can add some meta description that will help your newsletter to rank up on the Google search engine result page. Then you can simply click on review, and here it is. Here is published to email and web. You can simply go with that. You can edit from that, and you can post title. Here is the subject line, and if all is ready, so here you can see the template style is loading. Whenever it load properly, so you can schedule it, then you can just publish it, or you can publish it now. So if you send that, if you want to schedule for the later, then you can set the date and time, or you can publish now. You can immediately publish your newsletter. You're done. So let's see if it's the recipient get that email. And here it is. You can see I'm right now on my another email that I have just said here. Here you can see the newsletter address that I have got from, and I can unsubscribe it. And here you can see the whole newsletter that I have got from that newsletter company. So that's how you can just simply create an attractive newsletter by Beehiiv. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and we will get back to you soon with another informative tutorial video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.